Class 165 means 35. Okay, we are going to study now ADC, that is analog to digital converter. So just an idea of what is a digital signal and analog signal. Analog signal is a continuous signal. Okay, digital is stepwise. Okay, digital signals do not produce noise because it has only two steps or limited steps. Okay, examples of analog signals are human noise, thermometer, all these things. Okay, for digital signals, you have computers, digital phones, pens, etc. See, for example, analog signal can be represented by a sine wave, digital signal by a square wave. Majority of sensors give output in analog form. But for example, say photoelectric sensors and not all the photoelectric sensors. Suppose say you have other say LDR, its resistance changes in analog way only. But by using some circuit, say optocoupler, then if it is coupled with optocoupler, say that arrangement, you will get signal as DC, light passing or no, not passing. You give only two options, then you will get digital signal. If you give variation in light intensity, which reflects in the resistance of the LDR, it gives analog form only. For example, optical encoder, digital shaft encoder, that is a digital signal, what you get from there. Okay, but microprocessors deal with the digital signal. So sensors usually are analog, which give analog output. So they have to be converted into digital form. Again, microprocessor output will be in the digital only, but output, which is the sensor or actuators, solenoids, okay, actuators will be usually analog. You will give a DC motor is not a digital one; it is analog device. Stepper motor is a digital device, but solenoid motors, all these things are analog devices. Okay, so it has to be again converted into analog form. Hence, we need ADC and DAC, analog to digital converter, and vice versa. So we will study about these things in the next class. Or okay, next class.